Alright guys, we're headed up to Kyle's at A&M Cycles. I've got the 450 engine in the back. We're finally starting the engine kind of refresh on that. I've got new cases. You'll see that here in a little bit, hopefully. New cases, new oil pump just for cheap insurance, and a couple other little parts that I knew of that I needed for that engine. But we're going to hand it off to Kyle and get him to completely refresh that motor. I told him, I said, just go through that motor, make sure everything's good, replace what needs to be replaced, new gaskets, bearings, whatever needs to be done in there, then go ahead and do it. You have the green light, because he built the Raptor engine, and as y'all know, the Raptor engine's still going strong to this day after 2 years and a lot of hard riding. So I trust whatever he does. But we're about to pull up now, so let's go ahead and unload that. I think after the engine is done, all we've got left is exhaust and A-arms and maybe get the shocks rebuilt. I don't know yet, depends on my budget that I have left. So let's go ahead and head into Kyle's. We're going to look at Will's 450 in there too. We're going to get the bearings replaced on that, and yeah, we'll see you guys in there.
A joint 450 video today. Woo!
Father God, thank you for the opportunity to be able to take this bike to Kyle this morning. I pray that you'd watch over us and keep us safe as we continue to work on this bike for you and your glory. And eventually, I pray that you'd watch over us and keep us safe as we ride this new bike for you and your glory. I pray that you bless all the people watching. Please bless them for blessing us. And I pray that you continue to bless the channel and all your many blessings. In your gracious name I pray. Amen.
Just holding the tire. It can only get better from here.
Don't say that.
Why did you say that?
Don't say that.
Is there wood somewhere?
You're not going to find it.
One more for extra measure.
Be careful, like other ears and break off. Say that.
Your turn. Go knock on wood.
Ain't mine.
Go knock on wood, dang it. everything feels good. You can't feel anything wrong with them?
Oh, it feels real good.
Okay.
It's strong.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Sounds healthy.
So other than a little bit of zip ties and a couple bolts here and there, we should be good.
Now we the coldest, I'm on 10 with my roadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.